In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect HeroFX to Tradelocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to herofx.co. From here, you'll need to sign into your account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, you'll need to go over to accounts, and then from here, you'll need to open up a Tradelocker account by clicking right here. And then from here, you can choose any of these which are suitable for you. You can also do it by opening up a demo account and will work the same exact way. From here, once you have clicked on your account, you will see this page right here. And from here, you'll need to go over and save the server name and click trade and then start trading. From here, you'll need to switch to a demo account if you have a demo account, or if you have a live account, you'll just need to use your login details by clicking in your email, your password, and then down here, add in HeroFX and log in. From here, you will have access to directly click on a button to connect Tradelocker with your HeroFX account. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!